It's a nice little board. There's switches for silvers, monolithics. This guy here definitely is gonna have some gold in it once you open it up. You even see right here the connectors, gold everywhere. That's a nice piece of material. Copper isn't anything special though, but still better than nothing. Yeah, we even have a gold pin connector there. Definitely put that with my gold stuff. Let's get this screen out. So like I said, there's nothing too special on that side. All the materials on this side, so I'd go with it being medium. I think most of the stuff I put medium. Let's see inside if there's anything special. Not really. Like I said, there's some gold here. And that's pretty much it. Nothing too special inside the screen. Probably some garbage. Snip the cable here. And there you go. So let's see what we have here, money-wise. We do have some steel, but it's going to be very negligible from all the screws and little bits. Everything counts. So steel-wise, we have 0.8 in steel, which is not a lot. We're talking about not even a penny's worth. But like I said, everything counts. For myself, I don't keep it because it's I don't have the space. It's not really worth it. You know what? I found one of these eyes. You can open it up again. I think there's some more aluminum I can take out. There you go. And another board. And some copper.